Hey, fitness fam! If you're tired of complicated workouts or equipment-filled routines, you've come to the right place. Well, what if I told you that you could achieve your fitness goals anytime, anywhere, using just your body weight? That's right. Today, we're diving into the 6 best calisthenics full-body workout routines that will transform your strength, mobility, and overall fitness, all while being fun and challenging. So grab your water bottle, find a comfortable space, and let's get to it. Hit the subscribe button, don't quit. Routine 1. Push-ups with a twist. First up, we have the classic push-up, but with a twist. This move not only targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, but also engages your core. Here's how to do it. 1. Get into a standard push-up position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. 2. Lower yourself down, keeping your elbows at about a 45-degree angle. 3. As you push up, twist your body and reach one hand up to the sky, rotating into a side plank position. 4. Bring that arm back down and repeat on the other side. Focus on keeping your core tight throughout the movement for added stability. Try 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Routine 2. Squat jumps. We're taking your lower body workout up a notch to build strength and explosive power. 1. Start with your feet shoulder width apart, chest up, and arms at your sides. 2. Lower into a squat, making sure your knees don't extend past your toes. 3. Engage your core, explode upward, and jump as high as you can, swinging your arms up to gain momentum. 4th, land softly back into the squat position and go right into the next rep. Keep your landings controlled to protect your knees. Complete 3 sets of 15 reps for a killer leg burn. Routine 3. Pike push-ups. Up next is pike push-ups, perfect for targeting your shoulders and upper body strength. 1. Start in a downward dog position. Hands and feet on the ground, hips raised, and forming an upside-down V. 2. Bend your elbows and lower your head towards the ground, making sure your head is moving towards your hands. 3. Push back up to the starting position. Your hips should stay high throughout the motion, and don't let your elbows flare out too much. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Routine 4. Bulgarian split squats with chair. To round out this full-body routine, let's move to the Bulgarian split squats. You'll need a chair or a stable surface for this one. First, stand a few feet away from a chair, facing away from it. Second, place one foot behind you on the chair and keep the other firmly planted on the ground. 3. Lower your body into a squat by bending your front knee, making sure it doesn't go past your toes. 4. Push back up to the starting position and switch legs after completing your reps. This exercise is perfect for building unilateral strength and stability. Go for 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Routine 5. Reverse lunges. 3 sets of 10 reps per leg. Host, stepping back into lunges. Time to shift back to the lower body with reverse lunges. These target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Step back, drop down, push up through your front heel, and switch legs. Keep that core engaged and don't rush. Control is key here. Routine 6. Plank. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Now, we challenge the core with a plank. This isn't just about abs, it strengthens your whole midsection and stabilizer muscles. Keep your body in a straight line, no dropping those hips. Hold strong. And that's it for today's session. 5 simple but super effective calisthenics exercises that will leave you feeling stronger, more energized, and ready to tackle anything. If you enjoyed this workout, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fitness content like this. Drop a comment below if you tried these routines or if you have your favorite calisthenics move to share. I'd love to hear from you.